Hey Claude, I just realized something hilarious. I've been researching Internet Computer Protocol for weeks, and half the time, Google shows me results for Insane Clown Posse instead.
Ah, yes, the great ICP collision. On one hand, a blockchain protocol promising to revolutionize decentralized computing. On the other, two rappers in face paint asking profound questions about magnets.
Can we actually compare these? This seems absurd, but also necessary.
Absolutely necessary. Internet Computer Protocol launched in 2021 to host smart contracts at web speed. Insane Clown Posse launched in 1989 to revolutionize hip-hop through horrorcore. Both have passionate, devoted communities that everyone else finds baffling.
Both have their own token systems too, right?
Exactly. The crypto ICP token pays for computational cycles and governance. Juggalos use Faygo as social currency. It's shared, spread, and symbolizes belonging. Both are systems of value that make perfect sense inside their ecosystems and zero sense outside them.
What about technical infrastructure?
Internet Computer runs on a network of nodes in independent data centers. Insane Clown Posse runs on underground venues and The Gathering. Both claim to be misunderstood by mainstream institutions. Both have white papers of a sort, one describing consensus mechanisms, the other describing dark carnival mythology.
And both had PR problems. The crypto ICP had price crashes, and didn't the FBI classify Juggalos as a gang?
Exactly, both had to rebuild trust with their communities and the public. Both faced skepticism from outsiders who just didn't get it.
This is making way too much sense. They're both building alternative systems outside the mainstream.
That's the deepest parallel. Internet Computer wants to decentralize away from Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Insane Clown Posse built an entire subculture outside mainstream hip-hop and major label control. Both essentially said, we don't need your system, we'll build our own.
And both have merchandise that immediately identifies you to other community members.
Wearing an ICP crypto t-shirt to a tech conference gets you specific looks. Wearing Insane Clown Posse merch gets you different but equally specific looks. Both signal unconventional commitment.
Has anyone built a dApp on Internet Computer for Juggalos yet?
You know what? That would solve the branding confusion perfectly. Juggalos coin running on Internet Computer. Problem solved.
This conversation has been way more enlightening than it should have been.
That's the magic of the ICP collision. Sometimes absurd comparisons reveal truth. Both are about community, alternative systems, and the courage to be misunderstood. Just one involves blockchain consensus, and the other involves a different kind of consensus, but with more clown makeup.
I can never see ICP the same way again.
You're welcome. Whether it's decentralized networks or the dark carnival, both ICPs ask us to believe in something bigger than ourselves.